Subscribe the HN Studio channel and press the bell icon for future updates.
What's up guys, HN Styles here from HN Studio. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to change someone's eye color using Adobe Photoshop CS6. So let's get started. Open a photo of someone you'd like to use for this project. When you open it, now zoom onto the eyes and go to this tab. Then click on Hue and Saturation. Move this slider to any side for a while. Then close this tab. Make sure your foreground and background color are respectively black and white, then press D on your keyboard. Now press Alt and Option plus Delete to make the layer mask black. Now select your brush tool and brush picker. Select this brush and go back. Use bracket keys to resize your brush. Now press X to make white your foreground color and then brush over the eyes. Now double click here on this layer to open this tab. Now use saturation and hue slider to change the color of eye. Now as you guys can see, we have easily changed the color of eye. So that's all for now. Meet you in another video. So till then, keep smiling and be happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.